Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Yesterday we had seen about iframe tag that is embedding another web page into our current web page like YouTube videos, like maps, right? Today our topic is about entities and symbols in HTML. Some characters means I want to explain about entities. Okay, some characters we cannot type directly because the browser cannot be understand. Okay, for that we are going to use the topic of entities. Entities are nothing but they are the special codes used to display separate characters that have special meaning in HTML. Okay, let's see the mm, practical way how we are using. Before going to that, I will see this example. Okay, these are the some special type of this output of these will represented with the special type of characters. Okay, and copy we will get a copyright symbol, and at the trade we will get trademark symbol. By using reg you will get the registration symbol, lt less than symbol, get greater than symbol, ampered, and slash 8377 you will get the rupee symbol, inr, and degree symbol we will get the degree symbols, like temperature degrees will be right in that way. And you will be getting euro symbol, you will be getting arrow symbol. Okay, these are the some of the examples of the symbols. Okay, let's open the VS Code. We will do that practically. And let's take the P. And what is our first one? Copy. And copy copy. Okay, if you run the code, okay, before going to that, just write the word like copy, and you will see the copy symbol. Okay, just write copy symbol. Okay, again we are going to see about regist registration symbol, that is and reg. Okay, if you go for that you will see the registration symbol. And next take the paragraph and trademark symbol. Okay, trademark symbol, that is and of t m, like trade. Okay, you will get tm, right? And next take the paragraph. And what is our next one? We'll be having lt, right? Less than symbol you will get and healthy, and you will be having greater than symbol you will be having and of gt, and you will be having a Indian currency symbol you will be having, and slash 86, what is the number? 868377, 8377. And we will be having what we will be having, we'll be having like ambicent, ambicent. Okay, like you will be having and of am b. Next you will be having European symbol, these two, and of euro, and you will be having arrow symbol that will represent and arr. Okay, and in that you can select multiple. I mean, uh, we have the number of symbols. Okay, and among that I was explaining this is arrow up, arrow bottom, something like. Okay, we'll see the output. Okay, these are the some kinds of symbols. Okay, as entities is meaning that they are the separate characters. Some characters we are unable to write. I mean the meaning will be not understood by the browser. So in that case, the concept is came as entities and the symbols. Okay, this is the copy symbol, this is registration, trademark, less than, greater than, rupees, ampersand, and European, euro, and arrow. Is anything is missing? Degrees. Yeah, you can use any number of symbols will be there. Okay, based on our usage, we are going to use the specific symbols. Temperature symbol, there is kind of temp, sorry, degrees, right? Degrees, that is 36 degrees. Let's use 36. You will see that 36 degrees. You can use degree symbol. Okay, yeah, that's all about the, I mean, basically these are used for the browser understanding the characters. And if you want to represent the currency symbols, okay, if you want to represent registration, trademark, copyright symbols, we are going to use that because the browser can understand the symbols and entities what we are going to use. That's the main usage. And basically it used at the, if you are seeing any web page, at the end of that we are going to see the copy, registration, trademark, right? That can be done by using of these symbols of entities. Okay, that's all about today video. If you have any doubt, just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.